I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the screen timeout on an Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Display and Touch. Step 3. Navigate to the Lock Display section and then tap Screen Timeout. You'll see your current screen timeout selection and a list of all of the options you can change to. Step 4. Tap what you want to be your new screen timeout. Your selection will be your new screen timeout starting immediately on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.